In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively edit your Wix site header. If you're looking to personalize and customize the appearance of your site, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to transform your site's header to make it uniquely yours. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the creative magic happens. To get there, simply log into your Wix account and select the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, it's time to take a closer look at your site's header area. With your mouse, hover over the header section and perform a click to trigger the quick edit menu. You'll notice this is your tool set for making adjustments. It's designed to help you navigate the editing process quickly and smoothly, reducing time and effort. As you activate the quick edit option, you'll see a menu appear on the right side of your screen. This is your control center for adjusting various elements within the header. It provides you with different options to tweak and modify components of your header without having to delve into complex settings. One of the most significant elements you can modify is the background. By choosing the Change Background option, you have the power to select colors, add imagery, or even deploy a video backdrop. These features allow you to craft an engaging and visually appealing header that aligns with your brand or personal style. After the background, focus on the header text itself. Click on the text area to start editing. Here, you can change everything from the font style and size to the color. It's an excellent opportunity to ensure your header text stands out, yet remains on theme with your site's overall aesthetic. In addition to the primary header text, don't forget the other text elements or titles that may exist. Each can be clicked on and edited in much the same way. Maintain consistency in font and color to create a cohesive look, which goes a long way in establishing your site's identity. Lastly, you might want to take a look at the additional components of the header. Use the strip tool that appears when you hover over different parts of the header. By clicking on this, you can adjust the size, position, or even add new elements to make your header more dynamic and functional. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing your Wix site header with ease. Each step is designed to give you the freedom to customize and create a header that truly represents your style and enhances your site's professional appeal. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.